Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make roles in Discord step by step. Roles are essential for managing your server, organizing members, and keeping everything secure. Whether you're setting up admin, moderator, or member roles, I'll guide you through the exact steps to create, customize, and assign roles properly. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully structured and secure role system in your Discord server. Let's get started. Before we jump in, let's quickly go over what roles are in Discord and why they matter. Roles define what members can and can't do. For example, admins can manage channels, while regular members can only chat. They help organize your server. Assigning different roles like admin, moderator, and member makes server management easier. They keep your server secure, prevents random users from messing with important settings or spamming. Now that we understand why roles are important, let's create them. To create a role in Discord, follow these simple steps. Go to your server and click on the server name at the top left. Select Server Settings from the drop-down. Click Roles on the left-hand side. Click Create Role at the top. Give your role a name, e.g. admin, moderator, VIP, member. Choose a color for the role. This helps visually distinguish roles in chat. Click Save Changes. Now that we have created the role, let's customize its permissions. Permissions control what a role can and cannot do in your server. Here's how to properly set up permissions. Go to the role you just created. Click on Permissions to see all available settings. Adjust the settings based on what you want the role to do. Administrator gives full control over the server. Use this carefully. Manage channels allows creating, deleting, and editing channels. Kick ban members. Moderators should have this. Regular members should not. Manage messages allows deleting and pinning messages. Mention all and everyone. Only allow this for admins to avoid spam. Once you've customized the permissions, click Save Changes. Now that we've created roles and adjusted permissions, let's assign them to members. Once your roles are set up, you need to assign them to your server members. Here's how. Go to Server Settings, then Members. Find the user you want to assign a role to. Click the plus next to their name. Select the role you want to give them. The role is now applied, and their name color will change based on the role settings. You can also assign roles by right-clicking a member's name in the chat, selecting roles, and choosing the role. Roles follow a hierarchy, which means higher roles override lower roles and permissions. Here's how to organize them properly. Go to Server Settings, then Roles. Drag and drop roles in order of importance. Admins at the top, regular members at the bottom. The roles at the top have more control over the roles below them. Click Save Changes to confirm the order. Properly ordering your roles ensures that moderators can control members but not override admins, keeping your server structured and secure. Now, let's go over some common role mistakes and how to fix them. Giving out everyone too many permissions. Keep basic members restricted to avoid chaos. Not setting up role hierarchy properly. Ensure that admins moderators members in ranking. Accidentally giving administrator permission. This grants full control, so only give this to trusted users. Forgetting to save changes. Always click Save Changes when modifying roles. Fixing these mistakes will help keep your server secure and well organized. And that's it. Now you know how to make roles in Discord, customize them, and assign permissions. Roles are a powerful tool for managing your server, keeping things organized, and improving security. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more Discord tutorials. Let me know in the comments, what roles do you use in your Discord server? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.